Learn Hindi funny phrases. I don't care to.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
Welcome to the chaos. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi through a tiny comedy of confusion, opinions, and dramatic overreaction. Relax, listen, and repeat with me. Imagine this. You walk into a meeting where nobody knows why they are there, the snacks are missing, and someone has prepared a slideshow titled, Important Decisions About Biscuits. One person points at a cookie chart and says, that is a good idea. In Hindi, that becomes,
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
Another person hears a long argument about whether the round biscuit is emotionally superior to the square biscuit and shrugs.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
A third person sees the broken projector and says, very wisely,
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है.
Then the intern looks at the final answer on the board and says,
मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
Finally, the boss asks, who took the snacks, and the whole room answers,
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
Congratulations, you already met all 5 key phrases. Your 5 survival phrases. Let's make the core phrases feel easy and memorable. Say each one out loud after you hear it. Phrase 1. I don't care. In Hindi.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Picture yourself being asked, tea or coffee, and you say with heroic calm.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Phrase 2. That is a good idea. In Hindi.
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
Imagine a light bulb turning on over your head and everybody nodding. Phrase 3. That is not my problem. In Hindi.
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है.
Very useful when somebody else's printer explodes emotionally. Phrase 4. I think that is correct. In Hindi.
मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
This is thoughtful, polite, and much better than yelling random answers. Phrase 5. I have no idea. In Hindi.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
This one is honest, human, and perfect for mystery situations. A ridiculous mini-story. Now listen to the phrases inside one silly story. Stories help your memory stick like peanut butter on toast. Ravi and Meena decide to open a cafe for cats. Yes, cats. Not cat lovers. Actual cats. Ravi says, we should serve tuna tea and fish cookies. Meena claps and replies,
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
Then a cat jumps onto the counter, sits on the business plan, and looks at both designs for the logo. Red fish or blue fish? The cat blinks slowly as if saying,
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Suddenly, the neighbor runs in shouting, your cat stole my sock and now my scooter won't start. Ravi takes one respectful step back and says,
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है.
Meena checks the cafe sign, reads the opening hours, and says,
मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
Then the mayor arrives and asks, who approved this cat cafe? Everybody freezes. The cat licks one paw. Meena whispers,
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
And somehow, the cafe still opens. Quick meaning drill. You do not need to overthink this part. Just connect the feeling and the phrase. Indifference.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Approval.
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
Boundary.
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है.
Careful agreement.
मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
Honest confusion.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
Funny dialogues you can borrow. Here are some short dialogues you can imagine in real life, or in a slightly broken cartoon universe. A. Red chair or blue chair? B.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
A. We should leave early and avoid traffic. B.
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
A. Can you solve my cousin's laptop problem from 1998? B.
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है.
A. Is answer number 3 correct? B.
मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
A. Where did I put my keys, my phone, and my dignity? B.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
Tiny breakdown, big confidence. Let's peek inside the phrases just enough to make them less scary. No grammar headache, I promise. In.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
The key idea is
फर्क.
meaning difference. So the feeling is, it makes no difference to me. In.
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
Notice.
अच्छा.
For good and.
विचार.
For idea. In.
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है. मेरी.
Means my and.
समस्या.
Means problem. In.
मुझे लगता है वो सही है. सही.
Means correct or right. In.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है. अंदाजा.
Means idea or guess. So literally, you do not have a guess. Say it with drama. Emotion helps memory. So let's perform these like a slightly overpaid actor in a language learning soap opera. Say this like a tired king choosing between two identical crowns.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Say this like you just heard the smartest plan ever invented.
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
Say this like someone handed you a flaming folder marked urgent but obviously meant for another department.
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है.
Say this like a careful student checking the answer one last time.
मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
Say this like a game show contestant facing a question about medieval potato law.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
Mini quiz time. Let's see what sticks. Answer before I reveal it, and enjoy the tiny victory dance in your brain. How do you say, I don't care? In Hindi?
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
How do you say, that is a good idea? In Hindi?
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
How do you say, that is not my problem? In Hindi?
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है.
How do you say, I think that is correct? In Hindi?
मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
How do you say, I have no idea? In Hindi?
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
Your final challenge. Now you try mentally. I'll give the situation, and you choose the Hindi phrase. Someone asks, window seat or aisle? You truly do not mind. Say.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Your friend suggests studying 10 minutes every day. Say.
यह एक अच्छा विचार है.
A stranger blames you for their missing sandwich. Say.
यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है.
You review an answer in class and feel fairly sure. Say.
मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
Somebody asks where the office hamster hid the password. Say.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You handled indifference, approval, boundaries, correctness, and confusion like a champion. Today you practiced 5 super useful Hindi phrases.
मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. यह एक अच्छा विचार है. यह मेरी समस्या नहीं है. मुझे लगता है वो सही है.
And.
मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, reuse the phrases in your day, and come back tomorrow so your Hindi gets stronger and more natural.